Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone watching.
Karin, in my work with my coaches, I noticed that many of them have a fixed mindset. They are very set in their ways. What piece of advice do you have? How can we help them shift into a mindset of curiosity?
This is a great question. Well, we can have a fixed mindset in different areas of our life. But I think the best tip I can give and what I have learned many years ago is to help people rephrase their inner dialogue from statements to questions. So, to give you an example, if somebody says, I know that, to ask himself or herself, what can I learn from that? Or if they think, oh, this is impossible, again, consciously trying to rephrase this statement into a question, how can I make this possible? Or how can we make this possible? Or another statement example would be, this won't work for me. How can I make this work for me? So if you really consciously work on rephrasing statements into questions, you are more open and willing to explore new ways of doing things.
So, to summarize it, rephrase the statements into questions that will help you move forward.
That's it.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.